will you forget me forever? How long will you hide your face from me? How long must I wrestle with my thoughts and have sorrow in my heart day after day? How long will my enemy triumph over me? Before we dig in deeper into these verses, would you pray and ask the Lord to speak to you? Just for a minute. Let me offer a prayer to you. God, I thank you for you are a good God. There is none like you. Yes, I have gone through hurt, but I know you are able to bring me healing, breakthrough, and restoration. Amen. So, the lesson of our verse is that although we have troubles within our hearts and in our minds, we should always remember that the Lord is with us. He is here to give us strength, He's here to give us peace, and here to give us comfort. So, don't forget to pray and ask for help whenever you are troubled. So this is my prayer.